Hi everyone, I'm Simone, Product Manager at Wetu, and let's explore the Wetu Contact Manager. So to get to your Contact Manager, navigate to Contacts from your dashboard. When you land on the Contact Manager, you'll see we have two ways in which to add traveler contacts. You can simply create a single traveler contact or bulk import an existing list. Now, the fastest and simplest way to get you set up and using the Contact Manager as quickly as possible is to go ahead and import contacts. So you can upload a CSV file of existing contacts. Once you've uploaded, you can simply select Next, quickly map your import fields to those within the Contact Manager, so name, email address, phone number, and country. And import. It's that simple. Now, once the import has been completed, you can navigate back to your contact list and view all of the traveler contacts you have uploaded. So you see your list has been populated, and you can search this list by name, email, or phone, or you can use the search and select country dropdown or the search and select user dropdown. Let's go ahead and personalize one of our traveler contacts. To make changes to this traveler contact, select edit details and start adding in any preferences that you know this traveler enjoys. Perhaps Layla enjoys hiking. We know that she is a vegan. She doesn't have any allergies that we need to note, and her travel preferences are window seat. Any special requests that are known for this traveler can be added into this block, and then a passport number and ID number if applicable. Your contact source can also be selected, and you can go ahead and save. To further manage this traveler contact, you can also upload any important documentation. Simply select Upload Document and upload. Add in your document name, any quick reference tags, and an expiry date. You can preview and download documents. Your Trips tab will allow you to link this traveler contact to an existing personal itinerary within your Wetu account. You can search via the itinerary name, reference, or start date. Once you have found the itinerary you're looking for, you can simply select it and your traveler contact will be linked. Your copy options will allow you to copy the Classic, Discovery, Travel Key app and link an agent access link depending on your account setup. Your More options gives you the ability to edit from this space or preview your itinerary. Editing will redirect you to Wetu's itinerary builder where you can further customize this itinerary. Selecting Manage Travelers will show you that Layla Adams from your contact manager is now a traveler contact. Adding additional travelers is simple. Simply select the plus sign, add their name, and select Add as free text. The checkbox will automatically be selected so that you can sync this traveler through to your contact manager. If you choose not to sync it, you can unselect the checkbox. Once we have added Megan, you'll see when we navigate back, Megan will also have a contact manager icon. So we can navigate back to our contact manager, our contact list, and see that we have added Megan from our itinerary builder through to the contact manager. When you select Megan, you can go ahead and manage out any details, or you can simply go to the trip section and see that Megan's trip, Honeymoon Islands, is now also a part of her trips tab. You can add any notes or to-do items to your travelers. Adding a note is simply selecting Add Note and jotting down anything that needs to be noted. Simply add in the note, select, and it's now been captured. Adding a to-do item is giving that a name, description, and setting a due date. Once you have added this to-do and it's been completed, you can check it off and it will now appear within your done column. And that is it. Thank you so much for joining this walkthrough. Please have fun exploring the Contact Manager, and we look forward to hearing all of your feedback.